guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, it's been a crazy week. It started with Easter. I've been eating out every single day for lunch, which is fabulous because we have some of the best restaurants in the world here in Scalea. And of course, I've been spending a lot of time with Elena at Volare Sicilienne because everything there is so good. We were there for Easter, and that's when this whole food orgy started, this whole food porn thing started. And we started there with Easter. They had a fixed menu, and it was all seafood. And it started with the Neptune salad, which was just, so good. In fact, I had another one today. I never thought I would like it, but I was there with clients, and they wanted seafood. I said, okay, I'll probably eat some. I hoovered up the whole thing. It was so good. And so that was the Neptune salad. After that came these beautiful little pillows full of red shrimp with like a little bit of Scamorza cheese that was smoked, just the tiniest little bit on top, and tomatoes and artichokes. And then you had these little rolled up pesce spada things, which was swordfish, and it was like a cordon bleu kind of thing, layered on top of a little pillow of mashed potatoes with Parmesan Reggiano in it. So good. For dessert, we had pastiera, which was a little like ricotta cheese pie with pistachios in it. Crazy good. And since then, I was out at Vigri, enjoying Vigri the other day. I had a fabulous bolognese there, which was unbelievable, and more pastiera. And then we were back at Volare Sicilienne today, and I had her little dessert thing. I don't know what, because, Elena talks fast, and it's all bra, 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 Italian. She says ricotta cheese, this and that. Okay, yes, I'm in. Give me ricotta cheese, and I'm in. So this was an unbelievable little cake with a glaze on top and a little bit of cheddar, and I think pistachio down at the bottom. So good. What else have I had? I've had so many great meals, and it's only just beginning because we got more people coming. That means more lunches out, and that means more fabulous food experiences here in Calabria. Take care, guys.